Snowing again. Can see it this time. This after all our 70-degree weather last week. When will winter end? That is the question. Huh. When will winter end? Sorry about that. Yesterday's snow attack, today's snow attack. Tonight I'm hearing freezing rain. Tomorrow again it'll be up near 50 degrees. I don't know if you can see it, but we're showing you what it looks like here, the ice accumulation. It's pretty hard to see. Cars are we're in a little bit of a break right now. Looks like probably an hour or so. And it's supposed to continue raining. It's been going on all night. The wires have huge ice build up on them. The trees are all budded and they're covered in ice. They're gonna emerge to life like the Encino Man did from the ice. I guess. It's a pretty good mess out there. They salted last night ahead of the ice and the rain wisely, and so we don't have ice build up on the parking lots and the streets and stuff. But as you can see, it's pretty good, pretty darn good right here. So this is what we're living through here this weekend. It started raining and freezing last night before we went to bed. Continued through the night. You can see how heavy the trees are getting as the wind blows. Those branches are pulling way, way down. But yeah, we're having a little bit of a break now. It's supposed to rain and freeze all the way through Monday. For about 40 millimeters of ice in total. So that's what we're looking at here in Ontario, and why we're not out vlogging, because you know, winter and springtime here in Canada. Welcome to Canada. You never know what the weather is going to do one day to the next. That's a fact. For all you guys who keep telling me in my other videos that rather than using text to speech, I should use my real voice. I might do that, but we live in a very small apartment, so it'd be very noisy background. We live in a house of 5 people, and it's a very small apartment. Only 1.5 bedrooms. But yeah, this is so far our ice storm. Pretty rough around here right now. Not as bad for driving as we thought it might be in this area. I'm sure it's not great everywhere. Like I said, we had quite a bit of rain. Right now it's in a break. Radar shows about an hour and a half break before it starts coming down again. And because it's the clouds and the fact that the timing of the eclipse, we basically couldn't see much of nothing between the heavy cloud cover and the fact that the eclipse happened about 2 or 3 minutes after dawn at 6 something, 6:48 I think it said. There was much of nothing to see. As I looked out, it wasn't even this icy outside then. This ice all built over the morning since I got up. There was a little bit of ice buildup on the wires and a little bit on the cars, but now it's really heavy. And the rain is starting again. I can see the little sprinkles and the puddles. So it's like a light mist, and that when you got freezing rain, that mist builds it up really, really well. Just makes it thicker. You see the ice on that roof there. Trees are just absolutely sagging and heavy with ice. Yeah, we are on looking out the window here this morning, because going outside, just not a happy thought right now. I'm surprised we don't have a lot of branches broken out there yet. I haven't heard much about power outages, but I'm sure that's coming because everything is getting very heavy. And there's a light breeze, and that's all it's going to take with all the ice I see on the wires. A light breeze and heavy ice. I'm sure many of those branches will be coming down as that gets thicker, because some of those branches that are usually way up in the air, you can walk under them, are almost touching the ground now. Yeah, so no voices. I can put voice on my video, but I live in a house full of people, small apartment. Our studio, if you want to call it that, is in our dining room. It's the center of the apartment. And you got to walk through there to get to the bedrooms and the bathrooms and the living room. It's just the center point of the house, with the kitchen directly behind me. And because there's more light coming in the windows behind me, because all the windows are on the side behind me, it's hard to light the front of myself to get a good video. Those trees are really not wanting to move around there with all that ice. That wind, they're resisting. You can hear those salt trucks out there still, trying to get the salt down again before the rain starts all over. And, yeah, this is it. Ice-mageddon. And I gotta tell you, it's, if it gets, I think if it gets much worse this evening, like it's predicting, when traffic slows down, those roads tomorrow morning will not be nice. And thank goodness Monday's a holiday and most people have it off. And so nobody will be going anywhere. There's no school and half the businesses will be closed. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed these icing pictures. If and when I can get more, I will. But right now, this is where we're at. You can see the ice covering everything. It's even on, there's the laundry room roof of the building next door. That's what the cars look like in the parking lot over a ways. We'll put some more videos up, some more weather videos up when the weather continues, and it should be very soon. Until then, enjoy your Saturday. And don't forget to give us a like and a follow. We'll catch you again. Bye-bye.